One of the new capabilities in the Transcend Design Generator is called the Toolshed, where we've placed a number of bespoke design tools highly requested by our customers. For example, the Fractionation tool in TDG automates the fractionation process for biological wastewater treatment, effortlessly translating measured variables into model-compatible state variables without manual effort. The algorithm prioritizes industry standards while maximizing alignment with measured variables, ensuring consistent and reliable outcomes for the same input numbers. After logging in, click on Change Dashboard in the left-hand navigation. Pick Toolshed Dashboard. Now click the New Project button. First, you'll need to select your tool. At the moment of recording this video, we have two calculation tools available for everyone: Fractionation and the Oil Containment tool. Some users may have access to additional tools. Contact your Client Success Manager with questions and keep checking back in, as we're always adding new tools. For now, I'll pick Fractionation. Name your project and pick a project location. Finally, select whether you prefer metric or imperial as units for the input metrics. You can select the units for the output document later on. Click Next. For this test project, we'll use a municipal influent type. Now, let's define the influent characteristics by adding inputs. Now you can select if you'd like to use metric or imperial units for your output document. Click Run Design and we are done. The output document is generated instantly. To access the output document on your dashboard, click on the name of your project. The output document is called Toolshed Proposal and it consists of 6 parts. The first 5 consist of a thesaurus, the hierarchy of the composite variable, and explanations. The 6 parts contain the calculated variables. The document can be downloaded as a PDF in an editable format, or by clicking Modify, you can rerun the calculations with altered inputs. Try this tool or any other by registering for TDG at transcendinfra.com.